do a quick run through of how I detected a hole and the position of the hole. So right now I've got the complete sticks, all the beams blocked on it. So if you have an application that walks some, it's going to take some messing around with the numbers to see how much it walks. But if it's completely blocked, then this is one way that you could do it. So first what I did is I set up two different zones. So I've got 119 beams. I just pretty much split the beams in half. So zone 1 is from 60 to 119, and zone 2 is from 1 to beam 59. And then what I did is I came to functional programming, and I've got number of block beams, which you see here. Anything greater than equal to or greater than 1 will turn on this output. And then the second one, what I did is I grabbed number of beams blocked from zone 1, so BF variable 2, and then I did number of beams blocked for zone 2 as well. So zone 1 and zone 2, number of beams blocked. So and then I brung those two variables down here. So I took number of beams made when that output comes on, and whenever variable 2, number of beams blocked in zone 1, whenever that output comes on, then those two together will tell me that I have a hole and what direction it is. And the same thing, I took beam variable BF variable 1 and then 3, as you see here, so I can detect there is a hole and which side. And then I took those two logic variables and I brought them onto Q1 and Q2, so my virtual outputs, which will come over IO link or Ethernet IP or whatever field bus you have. So just to show that it works, so if I move this box this way, you should see that those two come on. So this is telling me that the hole is on this side, and if I slide it the other way, you'll see that goes off, and now this other one comes on. So I know exactly which side of the sticks, east or west, north or south, of where the hole is at. Again, depending on the application, you may have to play around with these numbers if your target walks or you don't have the complete stick blocked. But this is how you would take that and then take it into Q1 and Q2, get that into your PLC, and you'll be able to tell you have a hole and what side of the stick it's on.